Hey, this is Tim, 2011 Ford Edge. I'm going to show how you get to the climate control blower motor switch. First thing you want to do is pull off this trim. These two silver or whatever color you'll have, they just come right off. You just kind of get underneath them with this and they'll come off right here. Then we got 6 Torx bits right here. Then you're gonna have 8 7s right there. We're gonna pull that off. The reason I'm pulling it off, I want to get the right color because I'm getting the whole thing here because this fan switch is bad. The blower motor is not working and the blower motor is fine. Anyway, I want to make sure I get the right color, and you got to get the number off the back. I'll show you that here in just a second. All right, it's gonna be a T20, so we'll just take these off. Like I said, there's 6 on around here. You got to put the car in neutral because you're gonna want to pull this up. Alright, well this one's not acting like it should. It's not pulling out from underneath here. It should just pull out from underneath here, but this is like it's stuck. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo these all around here so I don't break anything. Like I said, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got 8 coming around here, 4 on each side, 7mm. Let's get these off. Got a little better 7 this time. I don't know what was up with that other one. Let me go get my magnet. Anyway, you get the gist of it. I'm gonna go around and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, when you finally get it off, I mean, this is how you're gonna have to do if you are gonna change the radio anyway. So this is a good tutorial if you need to do that. So you're just gonna pull it off like this, and of course you're gonna unplug it behind here. I'm not too concerned about that, but the second I just want to get that number right there. See if I can set it up. I want that number right there so I can make sure I get the right one. Well, that's how you get it off, and I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.